Virgin Galactic, we believe in the power of curiosity.
Humans are an adventurous species. It's very natural for us to want to go and explore space.
But we have an opportunity to be at the very birth of routine access to space. It's going to be transformative.
This first commercial flight is a research mission conducted by the Italian Air Force, featuring human researchers and payload experiments.
We're able to further the technologies and the research that end up helping to better human life here on Earth.
Commercial spaceflight is changing what access to space means.
Release, release, release.
Fire, fire.
This is really the beginning of the next space age. All of us have a part to play, and that's going to be the thing that blows the gate open to the next generation.